Bitcoin's BRC20 explosion sends users scrambling for options, including Lightning Network. The effects of the BRC20 mints range from halting Bitcoin withdrawals on Binance to frustration with sudden high costs of making Bitcoin payments in places like Africa and South America. So because everyone else is hogging them to make ordinals, people can't use it for what they need to use it for. A lucky miner raked in 6.7 Bitcoin, or almost 200,000 in transaction fees on Sunday night, exceeding Bitcoin's current block subsidy of 6.25. An extremely rare occurrence that illustrates how a recent burst of activity on the blockchain related to Ordinals protocol has led to soaring costs for users. And, you know, that's the thing. Blockchain still needs to be tweaked. Bitcoin was never really meant to be used like this, too. It's more like a store of value. So to see it being used the way it is, it got, you know, it's got a bunch of people on edge a little bit. All these new tokens have quickly exploded in popularity, but at steep cost. They've congested the Bitcoin network and pushed it to its operational limits, offering a real-world test of how the world's first and largest blockchain might cope with the need to scale rapidly. But like, this is just not what it was used for, though. You know, I'm in between. I saw people saying, "Hey, we can't do these ordinals anymore. It's horrible," to being just like, you know what? I believe we can solve any problem, and I have no fear. And we could use the Lightning Network, and you would be surprised how fast. But it means people need to build. And what it does is it puts Bitcoin on the spotlight and makes people want to build back into Bitcoin. So I think it's a good thing every time you see some frustration, because it means you're going to fix things, get them done right, and it's going to move forward. Binance NFT Marketplace adds support for Bitcoin NFTs. The leading cryptocurrency exchange will allow NFT collectors to purchase the tokens on the Binance network directly through their Binance accounts, bypassing the need to create a separate wallet for inscriptions. That's really nice. But the fact that most of us can't use Binance kind of isn't fun. Maybe Binance US will have that? I don't think so. But that'd be cool to see ordinals and Binance NFTs later in May. Through an exact date was not announced. This is a big deal. And Binance is always at the forefront to service people. And if they see a new product or new thing coming out, they're so quick to act. One of the fastest, most innovative companies in the world, in my opinion. Galaxy Digital posted 134 million quarter profit on strong showing for the crypto market. The figure compares with the net loss of 111 million a year earlier period, and a 288 million in the fourth quarter. They're still down, but they're coming back up. Cryptocurrency-focused financial services firm Galaxy Digital returned to the black in the first quarter for the first time since end of 2021 as the crypto market rebounded. The New York-based company reported 134 million in net income for the 3 months ending in March, compared with net losses of 111 a year ago and 280 million in the fourth quarter. Following the turbulent 2020, brought to a head of the collapse of the crypto exchange FTX in November. So, hey, there was a lot of FUD, man. There was a lot of FUD. And this is interesting. El Salvador grants a digital asset license to Bitfinex. That's a big deal. Bitfinex going to be in El Salvador. Crypto media outlet Blockworks raises $12 million at $135 million valuation. Crypto media outlet Blockworks has raised $12 million in funding round led by private equity from 10T Holdings at a $135 million post-money evaluation. The capital will be used to help expand the outlet's research, data analytics offering Blockworks research. Trump digital trading card project mints NFTs for winners of prizes. The same OpenSea wallet that sold the original images of the 45th president has minted the sweepstakes prize from a group Zoom call to a gala dinner. Gold ticket, 15 ETH. Wow. I don't know how this works, but although the former U.S. President Donald Trump non-fungible token collection sold out in December, its NFTs for sweepstake winners are now flooding the market. According to the data, the NFT marketplace OpenSea, the same wallet that sold the original NFTs, is minting tokens that serve as access passes to the sweepstake prizes touted during the launch of the Trump digital card collection. The token features images of Trump holding a sign resembling a ticket, listing the prizes promoted during the original mint. These include a group Zoom call, a gala dinner, and a hard copy cover of his book, Journey Together. Interesting, you know, back in the limelight with NFTs. Pretty cool. And that's the news, everybody.